To use one of these 6 tools, first go to the Data Selection tab to create data you want to analyze. If you have previously selected data, access it by clicking on Datasets and hitting Select on the set you want to use. Then click on Start Analysis on the Location Map tool. The data may take a moment to load. Use the purple sliders up here to filter your data by month or year. Use the checkboxes to the side to filter your data by bee species. Each donut chart clumps the total number of observations in that area into a single chart. Hover over a chart to see the exact breakdown. You can click on a chart to zoom into that region until you see data sets representing single observations. Use the key over here to identify which species is represented. You can also zoom in and out of the map and use your mouse to pan between regions.